In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a mini calendar in Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so step one is to open the Notion page where you want the mini calendar to appear. So I'm just going to create a new page here and call this mini calendar. Then from here where it says press enter to continue, you want to go ahead and click on, then you want to type in calendar. So here it is here, calendar view. Now we want to go ahead and make this smaller. Now if this calendar is a bit too big, that's all right. We can change this to a couple of columns in here and then put the calendar inside of the column. So I'm just going to remove this calendar. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and type in / and then I'm going to write columns. Then from here, I'm going to have, say, 2 columns. Now I've got one here and one here. Then from here, I'm going to type in calendar, so calendar view. And now that calendar is going to be smaller on the right-hand side. And we can make it even smaller again by, if you want to use 3 columns, and that's going to make that calendar even smaller